I'm here at the One Rental at a Time event in Las Vegas for Michael Zuber, and I'm here with Brannon, who is an investor, real estate guy, used to work at a bank, owns his own team, 8 units, building 2 more. But what I thought was the most interesting thing he said was when he said that a truly phenomenal deal only comes across once every decade, and he missed one last decade. So what I want Brannon to tell us is what the deal was that he missed, and then how he corrected it so he'll never miss it again. It's all you.
Okay, so yes, it is. I'll talk in passion because it marked me, but I think those things mark you and say.
Right.
So my wife, we were in real estate, and she found a commercial, small little strip center, and she found the property and called them and asked if they still wanted to sell it. And it was, I'll give the numbers because at that time it was around 800,000, and I knew instantly it was worth 1.5 million. They were way under market. And at that time we were building a house and we just couldn't figure out how to get it done, but it was making me sick. And I told my wife, I said, I will sell this in one call. And so I paced for about 2 days trying to figure out if there was a way. And I couldn't come up with the idea at that time. And I literally did make one call and it sold. And I said, and I was so disappointed and upset. And I said, never again will I miss a real estate opportunity. And so I began to be diligent about that, getting ready for the next opportunity. And a smaller opportunity came available. And I ended up buying those. And now I have right now 7 units, 2 multifamilies on the property. So it's small lots. But that really marked me that I said I would never miss an opportunity again, because good deals, I would agree, come around 1 or 2 a year. Phenomenal, amazing deals once a decade. And I've been in real estate for several decades, and I missed that one. I won't miss the next.
So to Brandon's point, we were talking off camera about how quickly you should scale. And I was talking to a guy named Chris, and I said, really 1 to 2 deals a year, because if you're actually being as selective as you should be and only looking for those great deals, once or twice a year. And then he said, and a phenomenal deal once a decade, and don't miss it because you'll regret it. So don't end up scarred like Brannon. Be ready for when that deal comes so that you can jump right on it. Appreciate you, man, for being here.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.